Massive protests were held across the United States and several countries on March 28th as millions joined the latest No Kings rallies against President Donald Trump and his administration's policies. Organizers estimated that over 8 million people participated in demonstrations across all 50 states of the USA, protesting issues including the Iran conflict, immigration enforcement, and rising living cost. Large gatherings were reported in major cities such as Washington, D.C., and New York City, where crowds marched through key locations and public spaces, prompting road closures. Protests were also held internationally, including in Paris and London. Protesters were reported to have criticized what they described as authoritarian tendencies, while the White House dismissed their protest, stating they were not significant. High-profile figures, including actor Robert De Niro, joined rallies and voiced concerns over national security and civil liberties. The protest also drew momentum from earlier incidents, including controversial immigration enforcement actions, and marked the third wave of coordinated No Kings demonstrations.